Hi there, students. Okay, brittle. Brittle is an adjective. I think the first major meaning of brittle is something that's easily broken, something that snaps easily. So, for example, glass is brittle. You can't bend it, it just goes. Well, you can bend it a little, but not very much. Yeah? Or clay is brittle as well. Have you ever seen this experiment where they take a piece of iron and they freeze it to minus 200 degrees centigrade and then they just snap it? Because when it's very cold, it's brittle. And then we can also use this word brittle to talk about something that's easily disrupted, it's easily damaged. So it was a very brittle friendship, and I had to be very careful what I did. I needed to be careful because this person was very easily upset. Okay, so brittle. I think, if somebody has osteoporosis, this means that the person has brittle bones. It means that they break easily. Okay? Let's see, we have a sweet called peanut brittle, not peanut butter. Peanut butter is made from caramel, melted sugar mixed with nuts. And it doesn't bend, it breaks. It's a very brittle substance. So brittle, something that's breakable, it's fragile. Yeah? Or, okay, if somebody appears to be decisive and confident and cheerful and positive, but it's actually it's unstable. Yeah? So the reality is it's brittle. So his manner was it was very friendly but very brittle. So I think if a person is brittle, they're a bit nervous, they're a bit unstable. Yeah, they are easily upset, they are easily damaged. Okay, so delicate and easily broken. A brittle character. The team confidence was very brittle after losing their first couple of matches. We have an agreement in place, but the agreement is very brittle and both sides are liable to break it. Support for the government is becoming increasingly brittle. Easily destroyed, at the edge of breaking. Maybe, perhaps it will fail. And this is the idea of this brittle. Okay, so likely to break, likely to snap. Yeah, when subjected to pressure. Yeah, and then easily disrupted. A brittle peace. Yeah, there was a peace treaty, but the peace treaty was pretty brittle because both sides were still very unhappy about the situation. If you said somebody has a brittle disposition, this would mean that they are very difficult to deal with. They get angry very easily. If you described somebody as brittle, you would say that this person is very cold. They're not friendly. Yeah, they're not smiley and friendly and saying hello to everyone. But their character is rather brittle. They're not very friendly. Okay. An irritable reply, an angry reply. He answered me brittly. Yeah. If somebody's voice sounds tense and his voice was very brittle. Yeah, I felt that he was in somewhat of a brittle mood. Yeah, he's changing. So something that's brittle could be a brittle situation. It's not permanent, it's unstable. It could change very, very easily, very quickly. Okay, so brittle, fragile, delicate, frail, crumbling. Yeah, it's not strong, sturdy, and resistant. Yeah, if you describe someone as brittle, they're tense, they're nervous, they're edgy. Yeah, he gave a brittle laugh. So grating, raucous, loud, but not melodious. So a brittle sound. Wow, that's all sorts of different things, but the basic meaning is something that breaks easily, it snaps easily. Okay, so brittle. Formality, I think I would probably give it, what would I give it in formality? I think I'm going to give it a 6. Yes, I don't think I would use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation or above. And then, as to origin, there's an old English word, brittle or brittle, meaning fragile or brittle, prone to break. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Brittle.